Hi, I'm Alexandra Allen from Main Street Produce and Freshway Farms. Santa Barbara County Farm Day is coming up September 18th. Here at the Main Street Produce cooling facility, you're going to get a tour of our cooler to see how we prepare our fruits and vegetables to make their way to hungry families all over the United States. And you're going to learn how it is that Santa Barbara County is able to bring $1.8 billion into our local communities through the sale of our agricultural products. We're really looking forward to seeing you Saturday, September 18th.